recording?
Yeah.
Oh shit, let's do it. Hurry up. Why?
Yeah.
Because I want to hurry up.
Oh.
He's using it, dude. OTM. Poetic. Dragon Ball Z.
I don't think they can see that.
COD. Yeah,
DJ SE.
Oh yeah, okay. For days I lost myself like I'm in a maze, locked in my mental prison, but I'm getting risen like the Phoenix Suns. No, I'm never done. Flow is astronomical. Get with this, cause I'm with the sickest members of the TUC. Try to get with me. I'm an underground MC and still nobody knows me. Rhyme so good that you wish I was from the hood, but I'm just in my own membrane, cause I'm flowing insane, which means I never stop. I just keep on going like it's propane, cause I spit hot lyrics like they're ablaze, but get lost within the flame. I never change the game changed me. That's what I like to say when I don't get hypey. I just get hyper, cause you can't get with this like I am spitting the sickest, like I was wearing diapers from then to now. Just get with this, cause I can't rap fucking loud. I just rap so proud, cause I'm proud of my lyrical ability. Got the sickest tongue agility, and I got the will in me to keep on going like I got the sickest pedigree. Never knowing where the flowing, cause I keep it going like a potion, cause I'm just flowing like I am the Pacific Ocean. All around the world, you're all around your girls. You rap about her all the fucking time. Well, I got the sickest rhymes. I need a dime, like a bad bitch, like the Yin Yang twins. But I don't really care, cause I'm just getting in this. Get with the flow like this is from Jay Dilla, but I really don't know who it is. I'm a rhyme killer, beat murderer. Get with this, cause you never heard of her, like you never heard the glam. Like I go in, like I hit it with the glam. All up in your zone, all up on the microphone. But this is an acapella. They should sign me on Rockefeller, but I don't wanna be signed to that, cause Nas this, that with the sickest track. He called it, the fuck did he call it? I don't know, but I called that. Nas would be better than Jay-Z. Man, I'm flowing hazy. This is getting crazy. Oh yeah, the track was ether. Just try to get with this, cause you can never see me in a Beamer, cause I'll never own a car, even though my name is Carlos. Just get with this, cause I'm never flowing like I use my mixtape for D. Frost, that shit is fire, and I'm not a liar. I got the desire to be the sickest in the game, but you can't get with this, cause I'm just fucking strange like cunning linguist. Put you on a journey, yeah, I would be the best in attorney. Man, but y'all can't get with this, cause I got my flow like it's hard like cement. Hard like the ground, like the cobblestone. I will take you to the town. This is the flow. You don't even know, cause your skill don't grow. Your skill just stuck, like you're drinking too much coffee. I'm the hottest MC. I already said that, but it's okay, cause I'm just gonna keep on going, never knowing when to flowing, cause I keep it going like I got the sickest in the motion. Like you can't get with this, cause you don't have the devotion. Try to notice, y'all just can't know this, cause y'all don't know how to notice quickly. I'm so sickly, quick and after, like I'm flowing like this flow is a natural disaster. About to make this beat go on repeat. My homies live across the street from me, and I don't really care. I got long hair. Diss it, cause I get dissing with the bitches. Man, I'm flowing like I got the quickest, sickest flow. Never keep it twisted, cause I don't even know how to rhyme like Twister. Can't rhyme faster, just wish I could attack you. Put you in a car crasher, roll faster. That doesn't make sense, but it keeps on going, cause I got deliverance like Bubba Sparks. Cause I'm rhyming in the dark, rhyming with my heart. Rhyming, never stopping, cause I'm never flopping. Just go and cop my mixtape as of late, cause it's called Melancholy. If you don't get it, order a whole bunch right now. We'll bring it to you on a dolly. That's all I got.